iphi ingane?
Seyaziwa le ngane uthi yakhe.
Kuyaziwa eyakho kuyaziwa ukuthi yakhe.
Mina ngifuna ukuthi wakhe umuzi ozongabi nasithunzi.
So now you give me a nanny or you fund my upcoming business?
Uphinde ube indoda.
Unawo wena.
He's old enough to make his own decisions without being mommy's boy. I don't want him to listen to mommy.
All the time I must understand about Album and just that. Where were your parents 5 years ago when we met? I mean, I'm not gonna be with a man who's daddy and mommy. I'm really daddy and mommy. Even my own father knows that I'm old enough. I'm now with them.
Ayingikhathazi le nto ukuthi uthi ngumfana wama. Mengaye umfana wama ufuna ube umfana waba.
Yabona le season le kumele nje basinikeze more drama. Angeke icale ngedrama engaka yona. Angali mhlambe bayasidonsa kodwa le yinto esifunayo. So I think kule season le i-main character la kuyoba uKhwezi because uKhwezi uyayimela into yakhe. Uyayimela into yakhe. Umusa once said ingane before yenza with ma-DNA test and stuff mele iyohlawulwa and stuff and then Macele wathi no kumele kuyenziwe i-DNA test kuqala but then ku-DNA test ise mayibuye ingane already ibizwa ngomseleko so usho ukuthi ingane yakhona ihlawulile already bayihlawulile already. So aku-understand-eki man, aku-understand-eki ukuthi kuyenzakalani. And then uMpumelelo went to talk to uLwandle. uMpumelelo mntana noLwandle. I think yeah uye umntana wokucala uMpumelelo before uLwandle ezalwa. uMpumelelo wahamba ukukhuluma noLwandle wamtshela ukuthi indoda kumele uyimele ubudoda bakho la. I think uyabona naye uMpumelelo ukuthi uKhwezi ngathi uzodlala ngoLwandle and uLwandle ambona umama's baby and akamind uba umama's baby. Already uyamuzwa uKhwezi was sitting there ku-bathtub ku-jacuzzi noLwandle emtshela ukuthi it's either umfunela ineni or ufanda ibhizinesi yakhe. So it's either ugirl uzele imali la. Yinto azitshele ngayo nje le ukuthi yabona la ngizele imali. That's why uMacele athi ucela i-DNA test because uyabazi abantu abajola noLwandle. And the way lento le ecala ukubhiliveka ngakhona it's because uLwandle didn't even mind ukuthi ingane akuyona eyakhe. Uthe yena nje ingane kusamele i-defrost isisencane mhlambe mase ngathi ikhula inyana i-DNA test i-positive angazi kanjani kodwa nje ngengqondo kaLwandle makasho. And then ekucaleni uLwandle noSneh baphikisana ngokuthi eyakhe ingane iyabazi babayo. uSneh wavele wambuza naye uLwandle ukuthi eyakho naye yamazi baba kwathuleka phambi koKhwezi. I just hope everything here is not scripted because hayi shem abakule season kushubile. Thank you guys for watching. I know your thoughts on this.